Hi! Today we are making a healthy, tasty, and filling chicken salad. This is what you need. Cut the chicken into bite-sized pieces. Put the chicken into a bowl. Add the 2 tablespoons of Hanout. Rub well, then leave for 30 minutes in your fridge. Tear up 20 grams of lettuce and place it into another bowl. Add 10 grams of fresh coriander leaves to the lettuce bowl. Julienne 130 grams of red cabbage. Slice 80 grams of cucumber. Pour water into the bowl. This will make the salad nice and crunchy. Leave it for 15 minutes, then strain the water. 120 grams of lentils. Wash the lentils. Strain the water. Put the lentil into a pot and add 300 ml of water. Over a mid to high heat, bring to the boil. Once the water is boiling, turn the heat to low, cover, and cook for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, check the lentils to see if they are soft. Strain the lentils and let them cool. Cut the skin off the orange, then cut the orange into the 68 segment. Don't throw the skin out after removal. We use it later. To make the dressing, squeeze the juice from a lemon and what's left on the orange skin into a bowl. Pour the citrus juice into your mixer and add 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Add 1 teaspoon of Ras El Hanout into the mixer. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Blend well. Pour the dressing into a jar. Put the salad mix into a bowl and add the lentils. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil to a fry pan over a mid to high heat. Once the fry pan is hot, add the chicken and cook until one side nice and crunchy. Turn the chicken over and do the same on the other side. Check the heat of the fry pan so that you don't burn your chicken. Cook the chicken through, then turn the heat off. Place the salad mix on your plate and top with the cooked lentil and the chicken. Add the orange segment. An exotic chicken salad that's nice and easy to make it, so give it a go and tell me what you think. Thank you for watching. See you next time.